Hallelujah.
From generations to generations, for years and years to come, from day to day and many days to come. We are the heir. Show our love and thank you for what you do. But today we want to let you know that we really love you. Oh, Mama, you are a shining star. And even though we hardly show our love, your love is in our hearts. To generations, for years and years to come, from day to day and many days to come. Happy Mother's Day.
Zainaba, eu terminar de levantar a tua terminei, a sua solo mai melhor e a fanau, e faço solo e a faculdade uma com a United.